Hey Ro, my name is Justin, and in this video, I'm going to show you three things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely, you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. So sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do today to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Justin. Please do this for me. So by the end of this video, you like what you heard and you see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business. Shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan and use it for yourself, hey, that works for me too. So now let me show you the excuse me, let me show you the three things that will set your company above your competition. Let's not waste any more of your time or mine. Let's go over the three things real quick. The first thing is content. The second thing is going to be citations. Lastly is backlinks. First thing, content, right? So as you can see here, I searched up Prestige Plumbing Mesa AZ. What did I do? I clicked on your website here in your Google Business Profile, and it says your site can't be reached. So why is this a problem? Obviously, if people get to your Google Business Profile and search for you, they click on the website, you can't even get to your website, right? So that's a big problem. We need to fix that. Obviously, I can tell because I'm in the digital marketing space. This is actually your website. So we need to connect this website properly to your Google Business Profile. That is really hurting that Google Business Profile, right? Second thing I want to talk about really quick. Do you see where it says not secure? Right here where it says not secure. That means, excuse me, that means when you bought your domain, you did not secure it. And that's a problem because, again, when someone goes to your website, it's going to say not secure. It's going to pop up a whole pop up. It didn't show for me because I already went on your website. It's going to show a pop up. Do you want to proceed to this website? Yes or no? It's going to have like a little error, like this triangle will be big. The problem with that, if someone sees that, it usually alerts spam, scammer. They're going to click up your website. They're going to go to another website, right? So you're going to lose jobs like that, right? So so now let's actually talk about the content, right? So you want at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google, right? And not just 1,500 random words. You want to tell Google what you do, right? So a lot of these descriptions are really great. Love the pictures. I love the design of this website. It's really clean, really good. Um, it does have trouble loading this bottom spot, so it probably is taking too much of the power because a lot of this won't load at the bottom. So I might have to clean that up, change it to where it actually will be loading. But what else? One of these 1,500 words optimized content, right? So what I did was I went to one sec. There we go. Man, super slow. There we go. So what I did was I copied and pasted into a word counter. Your website, you have 210 words, right? So you want at least 1,500 words. So you really want to clean up that homepage, make a lot more content on it to really show what you do, right? So that's basically content. Let's talk about citations, right? What is a citation, right? So what I did, well, going back, let's actually go back to content. I wanted to show you a competitor. So you have a competitor here in Mesa. You can see all this content. They have a nice clear call to action here form. You can call to get started. As you can see, you click on any of these, more content. A lot of keyword rich content here, and it basically just puts them apart and it shows what they actually do in Google's eyes, right? So what we want to do is get at least 1,500 words for that content. Yeah, so let's talk about citations, right? What is a citation, right? So what I did was I searched up plumber in Mesa AZ, right, in your area. First thing that's going to pop up is sponsored ads, right? So here's the thing about sponsored ads. Ads can be hit or miss, right? If your offer is dialed in, if your website's correct, if you got people answering the phones, everything is right, ads can be great. On the flip side, if that's not the case, well, you're throwing money down the drain. And I know you know all about cleaning these drains, right? So we're going to skip that for now. And then we're going to see the Google Map Pack. And remember I told you I read minds? So you're probably wondering, Justin, how do I get into this map pack? Well, great question, right? And that all comes down to getting this map pack, all comes down to a citation, right? So let's break that down. What is a citation? A citation is having your business name, address, and phone number listed in multiple directories, right? So as you can see, your business, you want your business listed in Google Maps, Bing, Yelp, Merchant, Yellow Book, Yellow USA, Hotfry, right? You want your business name, phone number, and address. It needs to be the same, listed in all these different directories, right? So when I go back to the map pack here, your average competitor has about 150, 200 citations, right? So if we can get you 250 to 300 citations, we can, which is totally doable, we can bump you right into this map pack, right? So that's it for citations. Last thing I want to talk about is citations, right? So what I did here was, this is called Ahrefs, and it's a really cool software that's like a behind the scenes curtain of what people are searching for on Google, right? So what I did was I went to your website and I copied it and I pasted it into the software, and I can see that you are ranking for 6. I want to make sure that was correct and look right. So we're going to refresh this again because the backlinks are not popping up. Sorry about this. It's taking forever for this to pull up this data. There we go. So we got 41 backlinks, 3 organic keywords, right? So let's look at your backlinks. So why don't we talk about backlinks really quick for talk about this. So not all backlinks are created equal, right? If you have one great link, that could beat out hundreds of crappy links, right? So if I got you a pizza link or a Domino's link, you guys are not in the pizza making business, so that does not help you. And in fact, it actually hurts you in Google's eyes because that's not what you do, right? But on the flip side, if you have all these websites, like let's say home care businesses or Better Business Bureau, if you have those linking back to your website, that gives you so much authority in Google's eyes, because if they're linking back to you, you are a authority in the space, right? So I can see 2.5, 2.1. So when I look at these links, some are pretty good, but then again, right here, spam, spam, spam. So good. Another one, good link, good link. So this is a good link, but a lot of these are no traffic, right? So overall, what we want to do is we want to get you some more backlinks. We want to get rid of those crappy ones. You have some good ones. You have 41, and we want to get you some better backlinks to rank you higher, right? So and then you're ranking for 3 organic keywords in Google's eyes. So let's look at that. Man, it's not even loading. Yeah. Okay, sorry about that. Jeez, man, this internet, it took forever. Please just fast forward if you want to just skip a lot of that loading. Jesus. So as you can see, you're ranking for 3 different things: Prestige Plumbing, Plumbing Gilbert AZ, and Plumbing Gilbert, and you're in these positions 35, 79, 88. So you're not really ranking for these positions. It is your business name you're ranking for, but very low. So let's look at your competitor. Right? Remember the plumber? So I did. I typed them in the same software, and look at this. They have 130 backlinks and 72 keywords, right? So let's look at their backlinks really quick. So as you can see, 10,000 traffic. So what's cool about this software, as you can see, this is a link. I can click on this link and I can go in and get this backlink for you, right? So we can go in and get these good backlinks for you. As you can see, they have a ton of backlinks. Look at this, 400,000, right? So this one link would blow up pretty much all of your links, right? So I can go in and get this link for you, which is really cool because this helps push up your organic keywords, which we're going to look at what they're being ranked for once this loads. Okay, as you can see, they're ranking for 72 organic keywords. Let's look into this real quick, and then we'll end the video. So as you can see, they're being searched for Plumber Mesa AZ, Plumber Mesa AZ, Mesa Plumber. So as you can see, what people are actually searching for, they're being ranked for, right? And you can see the position 3, 3.5, 4, 5.5, 3, 2. So they're being searched right away, right? So remember, I'm Psychic, and you're probably wondering what now. Well, so basically, let's talk about going over everything we went over really quick, and that'll be basically it. So we went over content. You want at least 1,500 words. Ideally, if we can get you 2,000 plus, that'll really beat out your competition. Second thing is citations. Remember, if you want to get into this map pack, you want your business name, phone number, and address listed in multiple directories. We want to get you at least 200 to 300 to really beat out your competition by a landslide. Last thing we talked about, remember, is these backlinks, why they're so powerful, and resulting in all this money, right? So you're probably thinking, what now? And you can either take this information and use it for yourself. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, want to save yourself the time and effort, give me a call at 480-232-0315. Once again, my name is Justin, and my number is 480-232-0315. I look forward to hearing from you, Raul. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.